The next tool we'll be going over is our selection tool. Now we have 3 options as meshes and then 2 options as pin. Now the brush, box, and lasso is just different options on how to select it. And then also for box and lasso, for pin, that's also different options. So we're going to be using the select mesh lasso as an example. Now to best show this off, I'm going to go down the left here and we're going to go to our garment rendering options and just enable wireframe so you can see what we're actually selecting. So I'm going to go to select mesh lasso, and lasso is essentially just like a free roaming selection tool. And just like that, you can see I have selected those areas. If I want to delete some of them, I can press Control and then it will delete some of the sections that I previously selected, and I can just reselect or press Shift to add some more. Then from here, if we simulate this and grab it, you can see that it resets automatically. So this can be a nice way to finesse your styling. Then when we go to the pin lasso tool, very similar. This will come out as red. Now when we do hit simulation here, you can see that it actually freezes those parts. So if we're not selecting that, those sections are basically frozen. And if I select that area and pull it out, it freezes it where it is. So this can also help when simulating and styling garments. Going back to select mesh, what you can also do is once it's selected, you can right click and you can subdivide, and you'll see that now this area is more dense and essentially it will have more detail in that area. And we also have options to create a pin, which is essentially the pin tool. And then we also have options to freeze, solidify, and strengthen, which we can do. Now, when you do make adjustments in the 3D viewport, you can see them in the 2D viewport as well.